Hi, thanks so much for joining O'Hagan Electric with helpful tips and information. Today we're going to be discussing a job that we just did today in Lake Forest in South Orange County. It was a brand new plugs, switches, and GFCIs that we changed throughout the entire house. But on top of that, we have aluminum wiring in this house. And so instead of actually changing out the wiring like we did the past house, which is a big deal, we use a bonding compound. So we can be able to bond copper to aluminum. So then we can be able to utilize the existing copper or existing aluminum that's in the house, but make it safe, okay? Here's an example of what we did here. Here's one of our plugs. This is a Decora style white plug, tamper resistant. Now tamper resistant brings it up to code. These are the newer plugs and are required for electricians to be using and utilizing. What it does is basically if any kid wants to go ahead and put anything inside here, it prevents it from them getting shocked. So there's a lot of those little covers you can pretty much use. Well, now you don't need to use them anymore because this does that trick right here. Also, it prevents water from going up in there and having the breaker trip, which is great. Okay. Then we use a nylon plate, which I like. It's nice. They're bendable. They don't break like the old ones used to, and they're a lot shinier and they're a lot easier to clean. So that's also a big plus on that. Another thing that we do when we're doing these things, because it does take a long time to do this, it takes a lot of energy and everything to change out these plugs, but also use a bonding compound, is that we're doing parallel instead of series. Now, what does that mean? Well, all homes are made to where they're put together in series. So when there's a plug, they daisy chain with the wire to every single plug. Now, we go and put all the wires together in a sense, so then basically if one plug doesn't affect down the line. So if this plug gets messed up, it won't affect 5 plugs down the line. So if this plug in the future now gets messed up, it's only that one plug that we have to go ahead and troubleshoot, which then saves everybody money on trying to figure out exactly what's going on in the downline. So it's a plus. Well, thank you so much for joining us. This is O'Hagan Electric. Feel free to give us a call at 949-877-4945. And we'd love to help you out and give you a little more education and try to help you out with all your brand new plugs. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.